Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to questions pertaining to the quantitative section of the paper. So if we talk about the QA section in general, this time around the paper seem to be a little bit on the difficult side. This is the kind of question that we have seen being put forward this year. They were more or less very much calculation intensive and also required a lot of time just to solve them and get the gist of it. This in turn contributed towards making the section more difficult in general. So what we'll be doing in this particular video is that we'll be focusing ourselves on a few questions from the QA section, and then subsequently we'll try and solve the same. The question that we'll be focusing on is based on number system. So let's take a look. How many sets of three distinct factors of number n equal to 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 4 into 5 square can be made such that HCF of any two number in each set is 1? Okay, so here if we take a look, so we have been given n equal to 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 4 into 5 square. Okay, now it is given that the HCF of any two number in the set is 1. So here we will actually have two cases. In the first case, when one of the numbers in the set is 1, and another case when one of the numbers in the set is not equal to 1. Okay, so let's start off with say case 1. Case 1, so it be when none of the element is 1. Okay, so here none of the element is 1, so therefore all the three factors, because we need three distinct factors, right? So if none of the element is 1, therefore the three factors must be powers of 2, 3 and 5. Okay, so therefore if we talk about the total number of cases, so that would simply be 6 into 4 into 2. Okay, that is 48 cases in this way. Okay, 48 cases here. Again, now let's go to case 2. Here case 2, when one element is 1. Okay, so therefore other two elements when they are 1, so therefore when one of the element is 1, therefore other two elements can be of form say 2 to the power a, 3 to the power b. Okay, so that would be 2's power is 6 into 4, 24. Similarly for 2 to the power a, 5 to the power b, that would be 6 into 2, that is 12. Then again we can have 3 to the power a, 5 to the power b, that would simply be 4 into 2, 8. Next up that would be something like say 2a into 3b into 5c, so that would actually give us 6 into 4 into 2, that is 48. So similarly for cases like 2a to 5b, 3c and 3a into 5b, 2c. Okay, in this cases as well, 2a is 6 into 2 into 4, that is 48, and this one will be 3 is 4 into 2 into 6, that is 48. So if we add all these things up, 48 4 plus 48 into 3 plus 24, so that would come out to be 188. Okay, from case 2. So therefore total cases would be 188 plus 48, so that is that would come out to be 3 2 236. That is option A will be the correct answer. Okay, so I hope this question is clear to you, as in how we came about with the solution of the same. So if any doubt with respect to the approach, and here kindly go through the video, that should give you plenty of insights in the approach involved. Okay, I don't think you should face much of an issue. Now having said that, if you like the video and if you are looking for a detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to connect with us. For that you can go through the description, wherein you will find a bunch of details pertaining to getting in touch with us. So feel free to connect with us on all those lines, whichever is convenient to you. Also having said that, if you are looking for any guidance or help with respect to your competitive exam preparation of any examination for that matter, or if you are looking for any help with respect to any subject or any topic or any concept on which you feel the requirement of our expertise and feel that you need any explanation or any help in this regards, feel free to look us up on these cases as well, and feel free to connect with us. We'll be more than happy to help you out in all these regards. Okay, so having said that, if you like the video, make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel, so that we will keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So with all that said, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.